Hi everyone, how's it going? I am good, and you? I am Amin, and welcome to Fusha Standard Arabic playlist. Today we'll talk about greetings in Fusha Standard Arabic part 1. So let's start. Welcome back. Before I start, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and bell button and put your comments in the comments section, and don't forget to thumbs up and like this video, because we have so many playlists for Fusha Arabic and Ammiya Arabic, spoken Arabic. So stay tuned with us and subscribe to my channel. Let's start about greetings in Fusha Standard Arabic. First greeting is marhaban. Marhaban. Marhaban, it means hi. Hi. Hi is marhaban. Okay? Hi. Marhaban. Marhaban. Hi or hello. Same. Now the reply to marhaban. We have 3 replies to marhaban in standard Fusha Arabic. The first reply is marhaban. Marhaban is hi, and also marhaban we can use it as a reply. Marhaban. This is the first one. The second reply is ahlan. Ahlan. Ahlan, it means welcome, when you are welcoming a guest or beloved one is coming to you. But we can use it also as a reply to marhaban, reply to hi. So the second one is ahlan. The third one is ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. It means also welcome, for welcoming a guest, but you can also use it as a reply to marhaban. So marhaban is hi. Marhaban, ahlan, ahlan wa sahlan as a reply to hi or hello, to marhaban. I should say note here, this is a very important note. You can add bik if you are talking to a male. If you are talking to a female, you can add biki. Biki. If you are talking to a group, you can add bikum. Let me explain that. You can add these 3 words when you say hi and when you reply. So marhaban bik means hi to you for a male. Marhaban biki, hi to you for female. Marhaban bikum, hi to you for a group. Okay? Now, how we can add this bik, biki, bikum when I reply? In a reply. Same. If you want to reply, marhaban bik. If you are replying to someone told you marhaban, but he is a male. If you want to reply to a female, it will be marhaban biki. For a group, marhaban bikum. And so on. Ahlan, ahlan bik, ahlan biki, ahlan bikum. Ahlan wa sahlan bik for male. Ahlan wa sahlan biki for a female. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum for a group. That's it. So this is hi or hello in a different situation for male, female and group, and the reply to hi or hello in also a different situation, male, female and group. How to say good morning? The standard Fusha Arabic. Good morning. Good morning is sabahul khair. Sabahu al khair. Ra, R. Sabahu al khair. So good morning is sabahul khair. This is general for male, female and group. Now let's talk about the reply to good morning, reply to sabah al-khair. The reply to sabah al-khair, good morning, is, first one is sabah al-nur. Sabah al-nur. It means a morning of light. Light. Nur, and nur, it means the light. Sabah, it means morning. So sabah al-nur, I wish you morning of light. The second reply is sabah al-ward. Sabahu al-ward. Ward, it means roses. So I wish you morning full of roses. Sabahu al-nur. Third reply is sabahu al-asal. Sabahu al-asal. Al-asal means the honey. So, I wish to you morning full of honey and sweet things. So, and also all these replies are standard general for male and female and group. So, صباح الخير, and the reply will be صباح النور, صباح الورد, صباح العسل. And basically you can add any nice or sweet word after sabah as a reply or as a greeting itself. You can say صباح الجمال. This is an example. صباح الجمال. It means the morning of beauty. Jamal, al-Jamal means beauty. So صباح الجمال. So basically you can add any nice or sweet or beautiful word after the word sabah. As we said, sabah is morning. Now let's talk about good evening. Good evening. Good evening, it's very near, 90% near to good morning. Good evening is مساء الخير. مساء الخير. Ra. مساء الخير. مساء الخير is good evening. It's also general standard male, female and group. You can use it with anyone. Male, female group. Now the reply, same reply to good morning, but you change the word morning, sabah, to the word masa. Masa is evening. So the reply will be مساء النور, مساء الورد, مساء العسل. And I explained what is the meaning of an-nur and al-ward and al-asal. So, مساء الخير, you can reply مساء النور, مساء الورد, مساء العسل. Also, as I said before, for the replying to good morning, replying to good evening, also general standard. So, good morning and its reply is a general standard for male and female and group, and good evening, it's also general standard for male and female and group, to two or more people. Let's talk about good night, how to say good night and how to reply to it. Good night, we have three ways to say good night. First one for male and the reply for a male. Second one for female and a reply for female. Third one for group plural, two or more people and a reply to it. Let's talk about the first one for male. For male is تصبح على خير. It means good night. تصبح على خير. يعني may Allah make you wake up tomorrow in a good condition, safely. تصبح على خير is for a male. Now as a reply to a male, it will be وأنت من أهله. وأنت من أهله. This is a reply for a male. وأنت من أهله means and you too to be one of the safe people. One of the safe people. Okay, so تصبح على خير for a male. And the reply for a male is وأنت من أهله. Now for female, it will be تصبحين على خير. تصبحين على خير. The reply to it is وأنت من أهله. وأنت من أهله. Same meaning, but the difference is that one is for male and this one for female. So تصبحين على خير وأنت من أهله. For a group is تصبحون على خير. تصبحون على خير. And as a reply is وأنتم من أهله. وأنتم من أهله. So this is good night for male and female and group. And the reply to it for male and female and group. So this is it for today. We talked about good morning and all different ways for replying to it. We talked about hi or hello and the replies to it and the replies form for it. And we talked about good morning and the replies for it. and good evening and the replies, and good night and replies to it. So this is our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell button and put your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next videos. Salam.